We've just acquired this very rare Audi A6 3 litre bi-turbo S-Line Black Edition Quattro. So it's 4-wheel drive. It's finished in lovely gleaming black. It's got the upgraded double arm alloy wheels on Pirelli tyres. Absolutely gleams in the sun. It's got the rear park distance control, full S-Line body styling kit. The boot's been unabused. It's in lovely condition. It's got an electric tailgate. Nice little Quattro badge there. It's got the Bose stereo system. Full leather S-Line embossed seats. S-Line steering wheel. Just come inside the car to start it up. Got the navigation system. Bluetooth music streaming. I'll get the map up there for the sat nav, so they've got that. Bluetooth connectivity, Bluetooth media streaming, climate control. Sounds lovely, doesn't sound like a diesel when you're driving it. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.